Hello everyone, the topic of my presentation in this technical and business writing course is Think Visually and its application in statistics. I'm going to talk about why Think Visually is very important in the field of statistics. After that, I'm going to touch visual elements used in this field. Those visual elements are table, graph, figure, map, and image, and etc. Then I'll mention about the take-home message from this presentation. And now I'm going to talk why Think Visually is very important in the field of statistics. Actually, there are many reasons. For example, data from thousands of observations are not meaningful if they're not condensed to tables, graphs, and figures. Statisticians are responsible for transformation of data into visual elements. Otherwise, we would have to go through millions of pages of description. General people only understand visual things, not raw data. Now I'm going to talk about tables as a visual element. Look at the table. It compares blood lipid levels and blood pressure of smokers and non-smokers. It says that all blood lipids such as cholesterol and triglycerides levels are higher among smokers than non-smokers. But if you want to describe this situation in text, it will take a couple of pages and it would be uninteresting. Same thing is true for a graph as a visual element. If we compare blood lipid levels and blood pressure using graph, it is easy to understand and interesting to the audience. It is also true for figures as a visual element. This flowchart shows the flow of the clinical research along with the number of patients participated in different stages of research. It is so clear, even a lay person can understand easily. Again, if we want to describe the story using text, it would be boring and it will take a long time to understand. Map is also a very important visual element in statistics. This slide shows the level of poverty in the US by states. Dark blue colored states means having poverty level more than 16%. Lighter the colors, less is the poverty level. It shows poverty level of the US in just one map. But again, if you want to describe it using text, it would take longer space and long time. Image is also a very important visual element. This slide shows differences in brain consistency along with graphs for difference in body odors. It describes a lot of things in one image. It is very difficult to describe these things using text. So what is the take-home message from this presentation? I would say visual elements are always helpful aid for a general audience as they are easy to understand, and the tables, figure, and graph can make long-lasting impression on human mind. Conclusion: I want to conclude by saying statisticians are not able to communicate with general people without the aid of visual elements. Statisticians always think visually when they plan to convey complex information from data to general audience. Thank you for your patient listening.